Hi guys, we're back at the Beamish tram and bus depot here, so I'll just go to the back here and show you guys back here, like normal.
Oh, yeah.
So down there is that old van there and the old mini wheelchair bus as well, so the red and yellow one and tram 31 is coming over, but there's only two vehicles on this side at the moment. There's nothing in the back of it so far. 3 trams running out today, 31, 16 and 114, or should I say Blackpool 31. So we've got 6 tram 6 Sheffield Sunderland 16, Blackpool 31 and Newcastle 114. Now inside the bus depot. So we've got a B-type bus, blue one, number 3. We've got B-type bus. I believe it's the Newcastle one. Then we've got a Leyland Lion bus as well. Then we've got a Northern 338 bus as well. So yeah, brilliant. Then this one's number 2 here, the Leyland Lion one. But if you are coming to Beamish on the 29th and the 30th of June next month, then there'll be like a whole row of buses here in this location at the depot. So I'm hoping we'll be down here for that one as well. So yeah, I'm hoping I'll be here for that one. So yeah, and we have number 4 Darlington Corporation around here. There's 2 down. Well, I think there was 2 Darlington buses here. I think there was. Harrogate Hill number 1. Then I'll show you guys the tram sheds. Once again, I believe this could be tram 730, Lisbon one. And I don't think it's unboxed yet. If it is, as maybe unboxed as out that cover yet. Don't know what's in there, probably like the workshop. Then we've got tram 264 here. Sheffield 264. Then Operator South Shields livery 196. So it's a Primrose livery, this one. But I think it's Operator livery as well. So it's Primrose, yellow and blue, really. So then we've got a Middlesbrough bus there. Middlesbrough. I'll come on this side so you can see a bit better. A Middlesbrough trolley bus number 11. Then a Newcastle yellow and cream one at the back as well. But yeah, that's the tram sheds and the bus shed update. So I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.